I'm with Julie, and we're at like a fair type deal thing. It's pretty snazzy. There's people, and playgrounds, and food, and a merry-go-round. Wait, that's not a merry-go-round. A carousel. It's a carousel. What are we about to do?
We're about to play putt-putt.
Julie! I mean, Shane! She's videoing. Quit.
Yeah, it's fine.
Helping it.
It makes for entertainment.
Yes.
Oh.
Jumped over the hole again.
Just barely.
They don't come out of there very fast, do they?
No. Okay, Julie, line up right behind your dad.
Are you kidding me? I'm about to just sit here. Now hit it real hard over that way.
No.
Yeah.
Not gonna hit your iPod.
Why not? She's
Oh,
gonna
look
do
at
it.
that!
Oh.
Oh, sorry, Taylor.
Okay, JJ.
She wasn't gonna play it.
I was in my little world.
You can do it.
And back it comes.
Worst goal ever.
It really is. It's horrible.
Oh, Julie. Okay, Taylor.
Oh. Nope. So, I failed at putt-putt. I'm horrible, but that's okay.
I barely did better than you.
Yeah, I had like 60-some. She was in the 50s. I
I
think
had like 58.
your dad won. What did he have?
48.
48. So yeah, winner was 48. I was at 60-something. We're sitting at this playground, okay? And these little kids are playing capture the flag with a water bottle. So like, okay, so I'm sitting here and I have a water bottle, and this little kid comes up and is like, water bottle! And I'm like, it's mine, please don't take it. Children are so funny. This is great. Well, we found the perfect spot for scoping out the male specimens, so yeah.
Just hide in the middle of the playground.
They don't know we're watching, but we're watching. Let's do this. Hello. We're such children. Ice cream. This is great.
It's amazing.
Really good.
Oh, I died.
I just want you to fail, please, Billy.
Please belly flop. Oh, he's trying to play.
He's going back.
He's doing backflip.
Please. Oh, look at all these trading cards.
Twilight, High School
Musical.
Marilyn Monroe.
New Kids on the Block. Where was Twilight? I didn't even see that.
Twilight, Batman, Marilyn Monroe.
And like all these cards. That's the Cavs. That's LeBron James.
Oh, and Nightmare on Elm Street.
Oh my gosh, that would be cool.
Star.
We are trying to make our way through a large amount of people to get to our seats to watch the fireworks. So I'm not assertive in crowds, so I keep getting ran over or like getting behind the group I'm with. So I need to catch up. Hey, ketchup! Like the dip.
Condiment.
Like the condiment. That's what I was looking for. I need to catch up like the condiment.
Yeah.
Julie, show me your quality cup. Is this cup not pristine? It's in mint. It's mint condition cup right here. It's great.
It's beautiful. I wish Can did something this amazing. There goes another ambulance.
How was the fireworks?
Amazing, beautiful, loud, and very close to us.
Yeah, they were some really good fireworks. I don't think I've ever been to a fireworks show that lasted that long. So that was cool.
It lasted a good 20-25 minutes.
Yeah. So that was really cool. Now we're leaving.
There's lots of people
Yeah,
up
lots
here.
of people. It's like a herd of walkers trying to get out of this place. But we'll do it. Goodbye.